seguridad. Nosotros pedimos que todo niño menor de 12 años de edad sea sentado en la parte de adentro de los asientos para su seguridad.
In 2019, I saw these things.
Yeah, you're covering your camera.
Beber y fumar para su seguridad y la comodidad de aquellos que están cerca de usted y para la seguridad de nuestros animales en el Serengeti Belt. Desde este punto en adelante, le pedimos que se mantengan sentados manteniendo sus manos, piernas y cualquier parte de su cuerpo dentro del tren. Nosotros también le pedimos para su seguridad que se mantengan sentados en todo momento. Por favor, no intente salir del tren o cambiar asientos desde este momento en adelante.
Thank goodness we made it.
Yeah, no, right?
Thank goodness.
On the left-hand side of the train, you'll see a quick glimpse of our Thompson or Tommy gazelles. These animals, as adults, rely on their speed and keen eyesight for survival. They can reach speeds of up to 45 miles per hour when threatened by a predator.
That's slow.
Normal running speed is around 30 miles per
45
hour.
miles an hour. That's slow.
Yeah, that's slow. Yeah. Predator's gonna get them.
Huh?
It's like Predator will get them real quick.
As the sound of that bell, we are now ready for an immediate departure. At this time, please do not attempt to exit or change your seats.
No, Sarah. I don't hear Sarah.
Nope.
So.
We got the thumbs up, the ding ding, the wave wave. We are now departing from the Nairobi train station. At this time, I do need everyone to put their hands up in the air, look to your right, and say goodbye to Zen, Denise. They are your hard-working station masters. We'll see them again in approximately 35 minutes.
Guess what I said to Lynn, the hard-working station master. I said, finally in.
On the right-hand side of the train, you'll see our African penguins. They will dig a small burrow in the ground. They're one of the smallest species of penguins. Coming up around the corner on the right-hand side of the train is our Skyride station. The Skyride comes to us from Switzerland and offers you a bird's-eye view of the belt as you reach heights of up to 50 feet. Behind the bushes, coming up on the left-hand side of the train, is our Edge of Africa. This is home to more than 13 species of African animals. Here you can see a pride of African lions, catch a glimpse of our spotted hyena, and enjoy watching our mob of meerkats. On the right-hand side of the train, you'll see the Cheetah Hunt. Cheetah Hunt is a magnetic launch roller coaster with 3 launch points that will take you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in seconds.
Woo.
On the right-hand side of the train, coming up, the large white building is our beautiful Serengeti Overlook restaurant that is open for lunch and dinner. There's even the giraffe bar for those of you that are over 20 and older. On the right-hand side of the train is our Egypt area of the park. This is called the
See?
At your initial
I
jump,
told you it was
the ride
in
will
Egypt.
treat you to quick turns in an intense backwards section before placing riders into a free spinning finale. Also coming up on the right-hand side of the train is the Montu roller coaster. Montu takes riders of up to 150 foot with a 128-foot drop, reaching a speed of 65 miles per hour. We will soon be entering our Serengeti Belt, home to over a dozen species of free-roaming animals. Please remember to always remain seated. This is where you're safety. The animals sometimes come close to the tracks or even cross them. We may have to stop suddenly. Photographing the animals is encouraged, but it must be done from a seated position.
are you slowing down?
There's a giraffe walking.
Coming up on the right-hand side of the train is a reticulated giraffe. At birth, the mother stands up, dropping the baby up to 6 feet to the ground. Their top speed is around 35 miles per hour. On the left-hand side of the train is the gray zebra. This is the largest of all zebra species. Their stripes do not extend past their shoulder line, giving them a completely white stomach. Also on the right-hand side of the train are the female impalas. Impalas can be found primarily in the southeastern area of Africa, from just north of South Africa up to Kenya.
Oh, now we're speeding up.
Coming up on the left-hand side of the train are the green zebra. They are the only zebra with stripes that go all the way around their bellies and legs. Green zebras and birds are composed of one stallion with several mares, usually 7 to 8 in their juvenile offspring. On the left-hand side of the train, the gray animals with the black beards are the wildebeest or white-bearded gnu.
Oh, white-bearded gnu.
80% of calves are born with a 2 to 3 week period at the start
White-bearded gnu.
of the rainy season. Also to the far left-hand side of the train, you'll see the redneck ostrich. The ostrich stands 8 feet tall and weighs approximately 300 to 350 pounds. Hey, coming up on the left-hand side of the train, you'll see our sable antelope. Young males which have been separated from their herd the bachelor groups of up to 12 individuals. Among the bachelors, the most dominant will be the first individual joining a new group of
Hey, Will.
females when the position is open.
I see the Viazzi. Mommy, can you tell Will about the baby Viazzi? Hey, Will. There's this baby rhino. His name is Viazzi. I don't think he can hear me. Can you tell him?
On the right-hand side